Hey guys, Austin here, back with another video. Today I'm bringing you a new video. Today I'm going to be making a Canister Damascus neck knife, and I hope you enjoy. Right now I'm cutting out my canister for the neck knife. And now I'm drawing out the tops. And now I'm going to tack weld them on. Grab the 1084 powder steel. And those right there are some old bandsaw blades that I'm using. Welding up the tops. And now I'm going to just jump right into the fire. Now first I'm just going to flatten out and have everything stick together. This is what you'll see in this little time lapse right here. And that's what it looks like at the end. And I know it was a short video, but part 2 will be a lot longer, and I'll probably quench in part 2. So you will see that video on next Saturday, and see you later.